guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a yet another Nykaa haul. These are all the products that I have ordered from Nykaa and इसमें कुछ essentials हैं और कुछ makeup products हैं. So first I'm going to share with you all the essentials that I have ordered and then we'll move on to the makeup items. So let's see what all I have purchased and let's begin with the video. So the first product and essentials that I have ordered from Nykaa is this Lysol All-Purpose Power Cleaner and this is how it is. और ये मुझे अपने लोकल स्टोर में नहीं मिल रहा था और नायका पे अवेलेबल था, इसलिए मैंने वहाँ से ऑर्डर कर लिया. और ये है 450 ml प्रोडक्ट और इसका प्राइस है ₹136. और इस क्लीनर को हम कई जगह यूज कर सकते हैं, लाइक आर फर्नीचर, आर किचन स्लैब एंड देन टू सैनिटाइज आर डस्टबिन एक्सेट्रा. तो ये मैंने उसी के लिए मंगाया है क्योंकि आजकल सैनिटाइजेशन की बहुत ज्यादा नीड है हम सबको ही, तो इसलिए मैंने इसे ऑर्डर किया है टू सैनिटाइज माई होम. So this is the first product in essentials. Now the next 2-3 products that I have ordered from Nykaa are related to personal hygiene. The first of them is this Gillette Venus Breeze refills and this is the set of 2 refills. क्योंकि मेरे पास ऑलरेडी ये रेजर है एंड मुझे इसकी रिफिल चाहिए थी बिकॉज द वन दैट आई हैड इज फिनिश्ड, दैट्स व्हाई आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस. और इसका प्राइस ₹350 है फॉर 2 रिफिल्स और इस पर भी कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं था, सो आई गॉट इट ऑन MRP. सो दिस इज द सेकंड प्रोडक्ट. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट एसेंशियल, दिस इज द PSafe टॉयलेट सीट सैनिटाइजर स्प्रे एंड दिस इज इन द वेरिएंट फ्लोरल और ये 75 ml का प्रोडक्ट है और इसका MRP है ₹180 और इस पर भी कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं था, आई गॉट इट ऑन MRP ओनली. और ये भी आजकल एक एसेंशियल ही है स्पेशली फॉर विमेन, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई गॉट इट. दिस इज माय नेक्स्ट परचेज. Moving on to my next essential is this Heyday Natural Sanitary Napkins and this is the packet and this is the size XL और इसका MRP है ₹195 और ये भी मुझे MRP में ही मिला है. And since it is organic and eco-friendly and I have heard that it is biodegradable as well, so that's why I got it. I bought it on the recommendation of Shalini Srivastav and I must say this is a very good product to go for and this is very comfortable to wear. It does not give me any kind of rashes whatsoever. So that's my next essential. So those were all the essentials that I ordered. Now let's move on to the makeup products that I have ordered. The first of them is this Bella Care cotton pads और इसमें 100 cotton pads है and it retails for ₹169. Although I use the Miniso cotton pads, but वो मेरे finish हो चुके हैं. Just a few of them are left, but because of the quarantine thing going on, we are not going out for shopping, so that's why I ordered them. So yeah, that's that. Moving on to the next product. This is the Color Bar Nail Enamel Remover. This is 110 ml of product and it retails for ₹125. इस पे भी कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं था and this is the only nail paint remover that I use. मेरे पास ऑलरेडी एक कलर बार का nail paint remover है और वो लगभग फिनिश हो चुका है, so that's why I restocked it. So that's that. Moving on to the next product. This is the Lakme Absolute Shine Line Eyeliner and this is the outer packaging. I'll just open and show it to you. मेरे पास कोई भी ब्लैक कलर का लिक्विड eyeliner नहीं था. The one that I had वो फिनिश हो चुका था, so that's why I ordered a black eyeliner. This is how it looks. This is the first time that I'm trying this eyeliner and let me just show you the swatch. This is how it is. It's completely jet black और I think ये waterproof भी है. इसका MRP है ₹425 but मुझे डिस्काउंट पे मिला था. I got it somewhere around 360 or something. I'll mention the price on the screen. So that's that. Now moving on to my next makeup product. This is the Nykaa Nail Enamel and this is in the shade Ginger Nut Biscuit. This is the shade. It's a nude shade. And this is what I have applied. As you can see, ये थोड़ा सा लाइट है मेरे complexion के लिए, but I really like the color. It has a hint of peach and brown to it, and it retails for ₹179. But ये मुझे डिस्काउंट के बाद ₹134 का मिला था. So that's that. Now we're down to the last 2 products of today's haul, और ये दोनों ही lip products हैं. First of them is the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Sweetheart Pink. This is how the outer packaging looks. And this is how the lip liner looks. I'll just swatch it and show it to you. It's a beautiful bright pink shade and it has a little bit of mauve undertones to it. It retails for ₹350 but ये मुझे डिस्काउंट के बाद ₹210 का मिला था, which I think is quite a steal deal क्योंकि नायका के लिप लाइनर बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी के होते हैं. They are very pigmented and very smooth on the lips and they do not dry out the lips at all. So it's quite a good deal. So that's that. Now moving on to the last product of today's haul. This is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon and this is in the shade 55. I'll just swatch it and show it to you. This is how the shade looks. ये plum kind of color है. It has a bit of maroon to it and it suits medium to deep skin tone perfectly. And this is what I have on my lips today. और ये बहुत ही easily lips पे glide हो रही थी and it's very pigmented as well. So that's that. And now we are done with all the products and the box is also empty. So these were all the products that I purchased from Nykaa. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, you know the drill. Give it a big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. I'll see you soon next time with some other video. Till then, bye bye.